Victims I witnessed at the clandestine internment camp. Generational usurped, deceived, deprived, neglected, voiceless, vulnerable children and families, endangered innocent lives in contract under color of law. Humble outreach, appeal. Silenced, contained, enslaved victims, in captive at the hands of State of Vermont corrupt clandestine regime. A decades-old reformed Mental Health Adjudicate Family and Children Protection Act out of exposed public judicial corruption. A federal-funded pilot project pioneered in protecting peace and dignity of the state of Vermont at the expense of conspiracy, secrecy, cover-up, enslaved, forbidden justice. The very same 117th United States Congress reformed Safer Communities Act at the expense of so-called vulnerable populations' chronic illness imposed mental health adjudicate marginalized community. Generational survivors of these very heinous human abuse, racial, cultural, ethnic, religious, social evils, destruction, alteration, defamation, ignored, unheard, neglected, denied constitutional rights, privilege, opportunity usurped, deceived, deprived, decimated childhood, youthhood upbringing. Generation of these very children's abused, disgraced soul, who never had a home, or mercilessly removed from maternity bed at birth, or a traumatized childhood upbringing. Many weren't fortunate enough, with loving, caring, sharing, compassionate family, parental or communal high-form humanhood, surrounding to human up, with enduring compassion and kindness. Grew up in many documented runaway, foster home to foster home fostered horror experience to a traumatized youthhood. Subjected to agency of human services, social worker, caseworker, school counselor, resource officer, peer, community, everyone's humiliation, naming, shaming, calling, questioning. Poverty, crime, alcohol, drugs, opioid addiction, hunger, violence infested, nurtured vulnerability imposed, silenced, contained, enslaved, marginalized community. So-called vulnerable populations, health, education, training, food, housing rehabilitation program. A billions of dollars U.S. federal government funded, contained, silenced, imposed vulnerability nurtured human commodity, American lives, at the hands of RICO, racketeer-influenced corrupt organization, the states of the Union United States government, judicial, NGO, nonprofit.org franchisee, collaborative forbidden internment camp in contract. Humble outreach, appeal. Let a child to see a mother's face in a motherhood, honored human civilization. A mom of a loving home, always home. Children needs no shrine to roam. Voices of violent expression. Perpetrators of horror human tragedy. Contempt, disgraced, deposed innocent suffering soul of kindness. Generations of these very same children and families' desperate outcry, sadness, sorrow, resulted from generations of repressive governance, government, judicial, NGO, nonprofit.org, collaborative, brutal, barbaric human rights abuse, cynical abuse of the very same ideas, law and institutions, which born out of many documented horror experience of the past. Forbidden justice, government, judicial, NGO, nonprofit.org, collaborative contempt, conspiracy, false propaganda, cover-up endangered public safety. Humble, wholehearted honor and respect to all unforgotten innocent lost soul of kindness. Antioch, Nashville to Georgia, Uvalde, Texas, Newtown to Parkland, Santa Fe, Oxford, Michigan to Columbine, Dayton, El Paso to Virginia Tech, Vegas, Manhattan, New Jersey to Fort Lauderdale, San Bernardino, Burlington, Bear to Harwood, Vermont, at the hands of so-called perpetrators of horror human tragedy. Mass massacre, also a victim of government, judicial, NGO, nonprofit.org, collaborative cynical abuse. O compassion, the law of the heart, our faith, a blessing and prayer I seek for all. May God, Rahman ar-Rahim, be the guardian of inherent enduring journey of human race. Enduring trail of nature. O enduring trail friend, I am down friend, hold me friend. I have no one, pull me friend. I have no one, I am an inhumanly deprived forbidden justice orphan. O compassion, you have come to eliminate everyone's poverty, if one remains in their own poverty. Then, what would be the say of humanity? O compassion, this will be so unbearable. On the shore of enduring soul, I came on hearing your name compassion. Vision 2026. Make your life leaf through into a prayer. Restore humane hope, equal rights, privilege, health, education, socio-economic opportunity, justice for all America. Connect, hang out, reform. Build a better, sustainable, ANEW America, a nation of civilizations for all.